Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing, also activating your bell icon. So, my lovely, today I'm sharing with you how to make the most delicious, softest chocolate chip cookies that you can make in the comfort of your home. The process is so simple. Come on in and let's begin. We have white and brown sugar, 1 egg, soft butter, some flour, also some nuts, salt, as well as bicarbonate of soda, some vanilla bean paste, and chocolate. We will begin by putting the soft butter together with the brown and white sugar, as well as a pinch of salt. The brown sugar helps to give these cookies deep caramel or toffee-like flavor that makes it so unique and delicious. It is easy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for this to be mixed up. Now, my lovely, as you can see, this has been mixed up properly. So we will go ahead and crack 1 egg. Beat up the egg for a little bit and then divide it into 2 as you pour in. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box for you. If you want to make more than what I did, just double up the recipe. Mix it together as well, and again, this literally takes few minutes to do this. So once we've mixed the whole egg in, this is the consistency that you would get. Our next ingredient will be our vanilla bean paste. You can use the regular liquid type. It is absolutely fine. Stir until you get this beautiful consistency, and then go in with your flour straight away together with the bicarbonate of soda. Now, as you can imagine, I'm going to mix it to put this together. This is so easy. You do not need any complicated kitchen appliance to do this. Just a regular spatula will do the job perfectly. Now we've got our beautiful cookie butter. We will go ahead and grab our chocolate. I'll go ahead and slice them up into smaller pieces like this. You can also use store-bought chocolate chips, but I prefer my cookies to have chunky chocolate chips, hence this option. I also have some walnuts here, which I'll go ahead and chop them into smaller pieces and then pour these 2 gorgeous ingredients. Hello, if you are new to my channel, you are so very much welcome. Please consider to join us by subscribing. Also, activate your bell icon so when I upload a video, you would be notified. At this stage, tell once them now we tasted doing it sharp. We want it already half of it because I the ankasa. And once everything is done, I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about 1 hour. And now, coming back from the fridge, as you can see, the butter is now cold. We want it chilled like this. Okay? Next, we will go ahead and divide it into equal parts. I wanted huge jumbo cookies, so I divided mine into 5. But for a regular cookie size, you may want to divide it into 8 or even 10. It is a good idea to have them of the same size so that they comes out beautifully presented. I'll grab some chocolate chips and pop them on the surface like this and then place it on my baking tray. Make sure to leave space. They would flatten up a bit once baked. Now, look, it is ready, but I'll go ahead and put the remaining chips on top. Yes, we want this really rich, delicious, and beautiful. Just take a look at this. It is so beautiful. I will leave easy spoon measurement so everyone will be able to try this. It will go in the oven for maximum of 15 minutes depending on your cooker. Once it is ready, it is quite soft, so you want to leave it for a bit outside for it to firm up. Now look at the finished product. It is so beautiful. I'm telling you, these cookies, they are so good. They absolutely beat store-bought. These cookies, it is so delicious. I cannot emphasize that enough. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so very much, my dear, for watching and for leaving me a like. I will see you in my next upload. Take care. Bye bye.